Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Disclosure. Disclosure means action of making new or secret information known. For example, a judge ordered the disclosure of the documents. A judge ordered the disclosure of the documents. Synonyms: revelation, surprising fact, divulgence.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The section provided for criminal sanctions against authorized disclosure. Now, repeat after me. The section provided for criminal sanctions against authorized disclosure. The second exempli. A more robust system, requiring full disclosure of information, is urgently required. Now, repeat after me. A more robust system, requiring full disclosure of information, is urgently required. The third exempli. There is urgency in the plaintiff gaining full disclosure of all relevant documents. Now, repeat after me. There is urgency in the plaintiff gaining full disclosure of all relevant documents.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The motto on the Royal Coat of Arms of the United Kingdom is in French. It says, Dieu et mon droit, or, God and my right.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.